Today is Sunday, the 10th of November, and we're fishing Shore Beach. Good morning, people. Down Shore Beach. Lovely day. It's about 7:30, 7:45, so the sun's been up about half an hour. Still slightly dark over that way. Yeah, back down Shore Beach today. First time I'm down here since we've held up rough weather last weekend. Quite a bit of weed here. Weed along the line here, sea line. Not too sure that's from this morning or from last night. Can't see anything in the water. Lovely view of the sun there. But today's plan is I want to try and catch some whiting. I've got a new toy, got a little cooker. So I want to try and do a bit of a catch and cook. Haven't had any breakfast. So a bit hungry, and I've never tried whiting before. I've taken some home in the past and I've gone to cut them, fillet them and stuff, and they just did not smell too good to me. So today I'm going to try fresh on the beach and try and do a bit of a catch and cook. So I'm going to be using two rods, probably both with 1 up 1 down rigs, probably like size 2 and size 4 hooks, just some frozen mackerel, and see what we can catch. Then maybe once we've got a few mackerel, we'll use like the mackerel head and guts and stuff, or a big bait. But let's see how we get on. Okay, I just set up both my rods. The right hand rod there with the orange tip. It's just a shot bought 1 up 1 down rig, size 1 hooks. And my second rod, same again, 1 up 1 down rig, but it's one I've tried myself. Mackerel's still pretty frozen, so I've had to whip a load of bait elastic around on it. It's sort of snapping up as I spin it on, but hopefully it won't take too long for it to fall out. Just gonna whack it out, sort of medium sort of power. I haven't seen any nets today, so that's a really good sign. Last couple of weeks there's just been nets constantly all around here, but today I can't see anything. So yeah, that's hopefully means there should be some fish, but you can only find out. There's a bit of a swell every now and again. You get a big wave which comes on. Had a couple that's come right over here, but it should be right here, just my rod's up high. But yeah, let's whack him out and try and find a fish. Well guys, not what I wanted to see. Straight away, weed is pulling my line right down the swell. Bit of a washing line on my right hand line already, but to be fair it is quite close in. But like I said, every now and again you just get a massive swell which almost comes over this mount here. But we'll fish for it. Got my man cave with me again today. Bit of a northerly wind, but try to stick to my word by bringing it out with me more and using it. Already had the tide run up behind here. No bites yet. I'm hoping that sun isn't sort of glaring everything out for you guys. It's directly in front of me. I didn't whack it out too far on the cast, by only about 50 yards. But I think it'll be better once I give it some willy. Just waiting for that mackerel to unfreeze a bit. Just be nice to see some fish today. I'm hoping that there's something about. Like I said, hadn't had any breakfast, got myself a new little camping toy, so I want to try and do a catch and cook whiting, but let's see how that gets on. What's happening is we're getting these massive rollers coming in. We're just overflowing this bank here. grabbing the top of your line as well and just putting it down. But it's not too bad. I think the weed which was on the edge here has gone back out to sea now, and it's sort of gone out. It's a tiny bit on my line there. You can see another roller just coming in. Let's see how much it comes up. But get myself a nice little recovery pond there, so any fish that needs to go back, I can chuck them in there just so I recover a little bit before I chuck them back in. Still no bites yet. I'll probably stick on some fresh mackerel in a minute. That was a close call. Just had a giant wave going right up. Literally got on my new little lake here. Just taking in my right hand rod. Had weed on the ledger knot. A bit of weed on the line there as well. Baits are still intact. Just moved myself right up to my manchetta now. It's not worth getting hit by a giant wave, tell you that. Okay, I've just bait elastic some big chunks of mackerel on. It's defrosted a bit now. Try and find the bigger whiting. Yeah, bit of a pain with a swell. I'm hoping it doesn't come too far up. It's just every now and again you get a big roller and it just puts you on the edge a bit. I'm all the way up along the whole beach there. How close do I stay? I think there's about half an hour's of high tide, so hopefully I'll be alright. But got to keep an eye on this definitely. Hey guys, I've just had another recast out my left hand rod, so I'm second casting on both rods. Apologise if the glare's bad on this. Directly in front of the sun, I'll come out just a bit there. Try and stand to the side. No bites yet. You can see the swell still going on quite high, close in. I was going to ask, bit off topic, but did any of you watch that boxing last night? That rubbish with that KSI and Logan Paul, those two YouTubers. Don't know what's going on with the world, doing YouTubers, professional boxing and all these silly matches and stuff. I'm hoping that it's the end of it all now, because I quite enjoy my boxing, and I don't know, for me, maybe bringing in new fans and stuff, but it's just all so dramatic and fake and silly. It's like watching wrestling again, and I've done that since I was a kid. But yeah, no bites yet. I did just move my shelter back another 8 foot or so, but it's probably the right thing to do, because to end up chasing all my stuff back into the sea, that'd be a nightmare. So been a few gulls diving around, but the water's not overly clear. Maybe herring might be around. You start getting them this time of year, but still hoping to find a whiting to do his catch and cook, but let's see what we can find. Just been checking out some of the tide line. There's like loads of slipper limpets. Got an oyster I've chucked back in there. All these eggs again. And a slipper limpet. All this is probably from last week when we had those strong winds. You can see the tide line faintly up here. You can see the angle of the beach, so how far it's been coming up. But it's quite strange getting this little pool here. Normally you get it along Shoreham Beach further up. After there's been a big storm, you don't really get it so much on the smaller beaches. But no bites yet, very slow. Always seems to be the way when you want to do something, you can't catch a fish, or you bring scales with you hoping to catch a big fish, and you never use them for months and months. But we'll hold out there. Starting to get all this clingy line. That's not even on the ledge or not, it's just come all up the line. Took my line round to the next groin, but I managed to save it just in case, just in time. But it's become a bit of annoying. It's high tide now, guys. Struggling to find a fish. Starting to wonder I'm better off fishing in here than the actual sea itself. It's like a little lagoon. It's starting to get quite a bit of current now though, pulling down to the right. So normally it's fishing current, but at the moment what I'm finding is snaggy weed. Hope there'll be something soon. Well, that mound which was in front of me, it's almost flattened out, especially here, and the water literally almost touched my shirt. So I'm going to quickly have to move all my stuff up because it won't be long until the tide is literally on my shirt. I mean, look at the size of this wave coming. Well, I'm going to have to hold onto my tripod because I've got a feeling what's coming. I'm going to have to move my gears, so I'm going to have to be quick, guys. Just move my gear further up the beach now. Hopefully I should be safe now. If I didn't move the first time around, I definitely would have been soaked. But I think it's due for me to take it into another bait check. Well, this guy here decides to put his kite out right where I'm fishing. But hey, let's do a bait check. Weed's really picking up, guys. It's like cleaning stuff. I had it both sides of the ledge or not, just had to clean it all up down my line. About 4 foot of it there. Just had to drag my rig up. But I'll cast it back out again. Hopefully it'll go away with the tide. My guys, down to 1 rod. Just had a snap off. I want to get a new reel. It's only a cheapy Shakespeare one. Keep some grinding up and locking, and I think it did it mid cast. It just snapped off. I've got a Sunshot leader with me, but there's not much line left on there. So I think what I'll do is probably get a new reel in the future and get some fresh line and stuff as well. Got my multiplier with me, but the line needs changing on that as well. It's a bit frayed in places. It feels pretty weak. It's really weird. The tide's dropped away really quick. This little lagoon bit's gone. After that one big wave, which came right up here, it's literally just dropped away like instantly. So I could potentially move it down again, get a bit closer. But there's so much like cleaning weed in the water, it just sticks to your line and just pulls it a lot in the water to the right. But I can't believe I'm struggling so badly to try and find a whiting. It's crazy. Normally you're plagued with them this time of year. But I'm struggling to find a fish. You can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's quite a drop down there. It's a good couple of foot. So I wouldn't be able to walk through it with my wellies on. Still running up a bit, but I'm hoping still to find a fish. The water is clearing out a bit. If I was soaking. Okay. But yeah, down to 1 rod, so let's try and find a fish. Just sitting away here watching the yachts. Probably the most exciting thing happening at the moment. Can't believe there's no whiting about. It's absolutely crazy. Still quite far up the beach, as you can see. Moved my tripod right down. Been no more big waves at all. All the big rollers seem to have stopped a bit. There's still some current there, going to the right. It's about an hour past high tide as well now. So I'm hoping I'll find a fish within the next hour or so. Very, very slow today. It's not good. Desperate times, people. Just pulling out the 3-hook flapper. So, for those of you who don't know what a 3-hook flapper is, it's like a 2-hook flapper, but there's a hook at the top, a hook in the middle, and another one down low, just by the weight. Normally I only use that when I'm fishing the pier, just trying to find some species. But I'm desperate to find at least a whiting today, so I'm going to swap over from my 1-up 1-down rig to the 3-hook flapper. Desperate times, people. Got the 3-hook flapper on. The hook length's a bit shorter than that than the 1-up 1-down rig, so it should be closer to the main body. So I'm not too sure that make much difference today. But I'm going to give it a couple of casts of this 3-hook flapper. The sea's flattening out quite a bit. There's a bit of a northeasterly wind now as well. But yeah, difficult times. Don't know what's going on, people. Still no bites. It's an hour and a half past high tide now. Baits have been back out in the water for about 20 minutes. Not as nice as little at all. Might take them back in and rebait in a minute and probably call up my last cast. But I'm not too sure what's going on lately around here. I know we've had loads of netters and stuff. Is it the bait I'm using? I did go and dig some lugworm last time, that didn't really help matters. Managed to one white in my last trip. Session before that was a blank. I think before that I had that bass, didn't I? But yeah, it's been very strange around here, very slow. I think it's been fishing better at night. I think it's literally a white and a chuck at night time. But during the day, for me, it's been dead anyway. Yeah, I think I've got to take it in and have another bait check and have one last cast. Right, down to one last cast now. Everyone, send me your luck. I need it, I think. I've recently, guys, arranged all my videos into months on my YouTube channel. And I noticed in November, I think I might have had one video or no videos. I was trying to think why I didn't have any videos up from last November. And I remember I didn't really film any blank videos last year. So I'm wondering if that's the case of just like November sort of time. The baits I'm using and the rigs I'm using, I'm blanking during the day and stuff. That's another reason why I started YouTube, so I've got some kind of diary to refer back to. So I'm just wondering if that was the case, or was it a case I just didn't really fish in November. But yeah, still very slow today. I just can't believe I can't find a fish. A bit frustrating, but it's fishing, isn't it? It's not catching. Right guys, it's midday now, and I'm going to call it a day. Unless there's a fish on here, but I haven't seen any obvious fights. But I'll take it in and have a look. Well guys, what a poor show for me. Another blank, I'm afraid. Did not go to plan at all. I fished 2 hours before, 2 hours after, and I'm starving now. No breakfast. I was hoping to find some whitings to catch and cook, but did not go to plan, did it? But hey ho, that's fishing. I'll add it to November on my YouTube playlist, so I've got something to refer back to for next year. I'm really hoping to try and get up to 1,000 subscribers for Christmas. I'm about 845 now, so the last couple of weeks I've gained quite a few more subscribers. So thanks all you new guys. Sorry fishing's been a bit quiet. I do normally try and get out a couple of times a week, but it's a bit difficult at the moment. We've got 3 young children, but I'm hoping to be out again soon. I've got Friday off, so hopefully my other half's off as well, so I can try and sneak out and go fishing again. But if you liked this video guys, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.